Hey guys, welcome back to Techness Arena, your go-to channel for all things tech. In this video, we'll be calculating the median monthly sales figure for a small business based on the sales data over the first 7 months of the year. In our previous video, we solved the average monthly sales problem. If you haven't watched that, you can check that out as well. Alright then, let's jump right into our problem statement. We have the following dataset of sales figures for the first 7 months of the year. Our task is to find the median monthly sales figure for this period. Before we jump into the calculation, let's briefly review the concept of median. The median is another measure of central tendency, like the average. It represents the middle value in a dataset when arranged in ascending order. Unlike the average, which can be skewed by extreme values, the median provides a clearer picture of the typical value. Now, how to actually calculate the median? First, arrange the sales figures in ascending order. If the number of observations, let's say n, is odd, the median is the middle value. If n is even, the median is the average of two middle values. Understanding the median is crucial for analyzing skewed datasets and getting a better grasp of typical sales performance. We can now apply this concept to our dataset. But again, as we are using a Jupyter Notebook for our data analysis and solving problem, let's explore different methods for finding the median of the sales data. Now that we have discussed the problem, let's jump into calculating the median sales figure for our dataset using Python and explore different methods to solve it. First, let's store our sales figures in a list so that our code solution will be more readable. Let's give it a name as sales. Great. Now let's see how can we calculate the median value using different methods. Python has a built-in module called statistics. Statistics provides a simple way to calculate the median. For this, we'll simply import the statistics module. Let's call our median as med1 for the first method. To calculate median, we'll simply write sts.median and provide our sales data to it. And here we got a median monthly sales figure for this period, which is 11,000. Next, we have NumPy to calculate the median. NumPy is a powerful library for numerical computations. We have the function median in NumPy as well. So let's import it now. Here also we'll write it same way. That is np.median and we'll provide sales to it. And here also we got the same value for the median, which is 11,000. We have another method to calculate the median manually by sorting the list and finding the middle value. This method helps us understand the concept of median better. Here, we'll simply sort the list and then find the middle value. Let's run it once to see the sorted list. As we have our dataset of first 7 months sales data, the median is the fourth value of the list, which is 11,000. Here's a bonus example. If we need to calculate the median for the first 6 months of the year, then how we will do it? For an even numbered dataset, the median is the average of the two middle values. So let's say we have the sales figures something like this. So let's simply calculate the average of the two middle values, which are 10,000 and 11,000. The median sales figure for this example is 10,500. And that's how we can calculate the median sales figure using different methods in Python. Understanding and calculating the median is essential for analyzing business data and gaining insights into the distribution of sales figures. This provides a robust measure of central tendency in our sales data. To summarize, we have calculated the median sales figure using the statistics library, NumPy, and the manual sort method. We have also discussed the importance of the median in data analysis. We'll continue building our problem-solving skills with more real-world data science and analytics problems in the next videos. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Techness Arena for more informative insights. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.